Lashonda Capri here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this zebra look that I got on right now. This is my first time ever trying anything like this. I literally had to do with what I had because I did not have all of the makeup to pull off this look. But as you can see, I was able to put it off anyways. So before I jump straight to the video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And make sure you leave me some positive comments down below in the comment section. And let's go ahead and jump straight into the tutorial. So I've already primed my face. So I'm going to start out by doing my eyebrows. I'm going to be using some Got To Be glue to kind of get my eyebrows to stick straight up. That way I can cover them. I'm just taking a little brush here and I'm going to comb them up just to smooth them down. Now I'm just going to go on with my Airspun face powder, and I'm just going to use this to cover up my eyebrows. Now I'm just going to take the rest of that and put that all over my face. This is kind of like just like a base. Now I'm going to go in with some foundation by Flesh. And this is like the #1 color in Froth. This is the closest color I could get to white. So this is just going to have to do. I'm going to put a couple squirts on the back of my hand. I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and I'm going to be putting that all over my face. Also bringing it down into my neck. I'm looking a little crazy right now, y'all, but I promise by the end of this video, I'm going to be looking like a zebra, you know? Okay, let's move on. So next, I'm going to do my eyes. I'm going to be taking my Morphe palette. This is the Artistry palette, 35M Boss Mood. I'm going to be taking the black right here in this palette, and I'm going to use that to put all over my eyelid. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a black liner and I'm going to do my waterline as well. I'm going to go in, I'm going to do a reverse wing on the inner of my eye here. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with my zebra stripes. I'm going to start on my eye here. Now I'm going to go in with my black eyeshadow again, and I'm going to set this in there, fill it in. Real quick, when I was younger, oh my god, I was so obsessed with zebra. It was ridiculous, like zebra shoes, zebra clothes. My mom actually went and painted my entire room zebra. She gave me this whole big zebra background when I was younger, and I liked zebra up until maybe till I was like 17, 18 years old. And now I still like zebra print, but I'm not crazy about it like I used to be. I used to be so crazy about zebra print. It was ridiculous, like straight up ridiculous. Now I'm going to go ahead and start doing my nose, my muzzle. I'm going to take the same black pencil that I had earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and start drawing on my nose. Trying to get it as close as possible as I can. I think this looks pretty good so far. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and fill all of this in. I do not have any black makeup as far as just this pen, so I'm just gonna fill in with this pen, and then I'm gonna go in with some eyeshadow to hold it in place and everything and give it more of a oomph. This is literally gonna take me forever. I wish I would have got me like some type of black paint, body paint or something. But this was really a last minute look, guys. Like, I just like got inspired really last minute when it came to this, so have to excuse me. I'm gonna go in with a larger brush and I'm going to set this area here with some black eyeshadow. This is my first time ever doing anything like this. I almost can't believe that this is me doing this. Y'all, this is super easy. Even though I did not have everything, well, I felt like I didn't have everything to do this look, doesn't mean you can't be creative. So be creative if you can. Like, let your creative juices flow, okay? Sometimes I doubt myself as well too. You know, we all doubt ourselves. But use your creative juices. So now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in and take just a little bit of brown and put that around my muzzle here, around my nose area. Okay, I'm all done with that. Now it is time for the fun part. I am now gonna go ahead and start drawing on my zebra stripes. So I'm gonna be taking that same pencil, black pencil that I had to draw on all my zebra stripes. Now for these stripes, I am going to be looking at a reference picture just to kind of guide me on how I want my stripes to be. So let me go ahead and start doing this. I am so nervous, y'all. Like I said, this is my first time ever doing something like this. So let's make it count. And zebra stripes aren't perfect at all. They are not perfect. Oh my God, y'all, I'm liking the way this looking so far. I'm so freaking stoked. Like, look at this. Your girl is doing this, y'all. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start on my neck. I'm gonna do bigger prints on my neck. I'm gonna go in again with my black eyeshadow just to fill all of this in and give it a little bit more pop and just to darken it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with some black lipstick by Urban Decay. This is their Persuasion lipstick. I've had this for a little while now. I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on by Too Faced, and this is Better Than Sex. I actually really love this mascara. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and place my wig on. I want to give myself a little bit more of that zebra look. So I'm gonna be using this wig and then I'm going to glue it on first. my hair in a ponytail, kind of like a little mohawk, kind of like the zebra hair. You know how the zebra hair comes down on its back. So I kind of try to make my wig look like that as well. This is the best that I can do. Okay, this is the finished look. I am all done. I had so much fun creating this look. Again, this was my first time doing this, and I made this look, did this look with what I had. I did not have everything, but I made it work. I hope you guys are able to try this at home. Leave me down some positive comments down in the comment section, and also let me know if you want to see any other looks. If you did make it this far in the video, leave me down some pumpkins down below, and thumbs up this video. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Halloween, guys.